Hey guys, it's Lauren from Zenith. We're at SHOT Show 2023 and I'm going to show you some of our really cool things that we have here that nobody else has seen yet.
One of the most enjoyable pistol caliber carbines you can buy.
Shooting platform famous by the Iranian hostage crisis in 1980.
This just imported. Supplies no big deal.
Our prototypes, and of course we have our full-size ZF5 we've been in production with for about a year. We do have some of our PDW models. Those are going to be shipping in just a few weeks. So let's come on over here. I'm going to show you our first prototype. Not sure when we are going to go in production for these, but we just wanted to put this out here for you guys. So we have a reverse stretch here. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it's kind of like a hybrid between a full-size ZF5 and one of our PDWs. So it's got the short P barrel and grip, but it can take full-size stocks and braces and other accessories. So it's kind of just a cool little gun here. Go ahead and put this back. Let's see, so one of our other prototypes, not sure if we'll go into production with this or not, so California people don't get very excited. This is our full-size ZF5 with the 16-inch barrel. Again, not sure if we're going to go into production, but wanted to just put it out here for you guys. What I think people will probably be most excited about is these three guns right here. So these are our roller delay rifles. We have a Z3, which is comparable to the G3 7.62. We also have a 33 and a 33K here, our 5.56. These we are going to go into production for probably sometime in 2024, so stay tuned. No prices on those yet, but I think those are probably going to be the most exciting. So why don't we go ahead and head over to our ARs. Alright, so if you guys have been following us, you probably just saw that we are going to be releasing a full line of ARs. So what's unique about these is these are piston-driven ARs based on the 416, 417. However, it's our own unique design. So again, short stroke, piston-driven, adjustable gas block. I know people are probably pretty surprised because you think of Zenith as being kind of the roller delayed experts, but we just wanted to bring something different to the market. So these we are hoping to go in production for in sometime late 2023. Again, no prices on these yet, but come by our booth so that you can check these out. These are brand new, guys.